Turn around, face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Stop! Hey, walk back to the sound of my voice.
Stop. Stop everything. Stop everything. Drop it.
You guys are harassing me. Why you got your gun pointed at me? Drop what's in your hand, turn around, face away from me, put your hands behind your back. It's my phone and the cigarette.
Ready? Turn around, man.
What are you gonna do? Hold on. Y'all tripping, bro. Hey. Car's clear. Hey, y'all tripping, homie.
Hey, watch that car. Watch the move.
Car's clear.
Y'all tripping.
Hey, y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Hold on. Y'all tripping. Hold on. Y'all can't pull my hair, nigga. Pull my hair. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Hey, someone watch the door. Someone watch the door. Watch that door.
Hey, hold on. Give me your hand.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I didn't do anything. What the fuck? Y'all tripping.
Hold on, my foot. Hold on.
Hey, y'all tripping. Stop moving. I'm not moving. You guys are tripping.
Going the wrong way.
Other way. What the fuck are you guys doing? Hey, quit pulling my fucking arm.
Well, you need to comply, okay? Put your hand behind your back.
Okay. You know I got you guys on camera, right?
Search around. Search in.
You know I got you guys on camera, right? Hey, quit choking me, homie. Quit choking me. Quit choking me. Quit choking me. Quit choking me, homie. Quit choking me. Yeah, send me up. Send me up. It's harassment. It's harassment, homie. It's harassment. This is harassment. Hey, listen. This is harassment.
Hey, look at me.
This is harassment.
Look at me.
This is harassment.
Look at my
You guys are harassing me?
Look at my
I got a big lawsuit.
Okay, my sergeant's trying to speak to you. What do you think you're in?
Look at what you guys are doing to me.
We told you to step your vehicle.
No, you guys attacked me. You guys attacked me.
Do you have anything on
You guys attacked me.
Okay.
What are you doing? Why are you trying to hurt me?
I'm holding you, dude.
Why are you trying to hurt me? Why are you trying to hurt me? Why are you trying to hurt me? I have nothing on me wrong. What the fuck? This is crazy. I can't. He's pulling me. Help! Help!
He's holding on.
Help! Help!
I'm first responder.
I
Help!
got it. He's going.
Help!
Stop.
Quit choking me!
Don't spit.
Quit choking me! I ain't spitting! I'm not spitting! Quit choking me! Quit choking me!
Check
Help!
this out. I got it.
Help!
It's left pocket, left pocket.
Help! Quit choking me! Help! Help me!
Open the door.
These guys are trying to beat me! Help me! Please help me! Help! They're trying to kill me! Help!
Ready, Blackman?
Help! Help me!
Get in the car.
What? Trying to kill me! What?
Okay, let's move our cars. Let's move our cars. Who's not involved? You two get in that car.
Excuse me, you guys need permission to do that, don't you?
No.
Wait.
You
Why?
can speak to my supervisors.
Okay.
You might unlock
Yeah.
Okay, why I'm asking, do you need permission to go in there? Like moving to a stop sign, you have the right to go into a car?
These Fabian and man.
I don't have my.
Take that real quick before I.
You have the right to go into a car?
Sure.
In your car? That's it. In your car?
I need to grab my flashlight.
Yeah.
Where's my fucking body cam?
So everybody else can clear, other than whoever's going to manage this car.
Nice to meet you.
All right. So everybody else can bounce.
I believe his keys are on the ground right there.
Thank you. You said shop 21, sir? Yes, it's back there. All right, thank you.
I was told to assist with the search of the vehicle. I don't know if right now that's on pause.
No, we got to. We got to get out of here. So go help him with the car.
She's not going to listen to me.
She don't need to at this point. Everybody else clear. So he's going to St. Joe's. We're going to manage this car.
Yes, I know that right now. The parent. Oh, good one. Alright. River, you good? You good?
She said he's Lester. Not her.
Lester is this guy here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys are clear? Follow up, please. You were all follow up report there, and then we'll keep you two there for a second.
Good?
Yes.